What's up, Juggalos? Today was an exciting mail day. I can't just throw this package on the bed this time around. I have to set it down gently. But I've been waiting very impatiently for this. That's the price you pay for living in the Great Northwest. Mail is a little slower from the Midwest to the Northwest. And I'm sure those of you who have ordered recognize this. Now, I ordered two sets, but don't think I was trying to be greedy. One is for my cousin and my best friend, my cousin Jackie and my best friend Fathead. So they will get theirs here shortly. So this is what you get when you order, when you ordered, if you were lucky enough, the Christmas ornaments. Happy Holidays from Mob Style Music, Smokin' Joe, Weirdo, gotta love it. Only 100 of these were pressed up, but again, I wasn't trying to be ugly or greedy about ordering two. One of them was a gift. So, Violent Night, Buckshot. Violent Night, Broke Christmas, Santa Joe. I got number 14 of 100. Violent Night and Broke Christmas, produced by Seven. Santa Joe, produced by Bad Mind. Additional vocals on Violent Night by Elena. Mixed and mastered by Damon Slick Gardner. Recorded at Evo Auditory in Louisville, Kentucky. Graphic design by Derek Melvin. There you have it. The Violet Night Christmas Ornaments package. Now, here, get this. Like I said, there was only 100 of these made. And I gotta hand it to Buckshot. He hand wrote. You gotta, can you imagine having to hand write 100 Christmas cards in a timely manner and get them shipped out? Shout out to Buckshot for doing this. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Merry Christmas to Stephen Eli II, Kachina Eli, Lucretia Andy, and Jaslyn Eli. I hope your holiday season is full of cheer and good luck. Buckshot. Now, he went and personalized 100 of these, packaged them up, and shipped them all out in a very quickly, timely manner. So, shout out to Buckshot for going above and beyond with that holiday Christmas card. You gotta love it. That's why I'm a diehard Buckshot fan. You know, he goes all out for his fans and he appreciates his fans, and this right here shows it. So there you have it. The Broke or the Violet Night CD Christmas ornament with the personalized Christmas card. Whoop whoop. Much motherfucking clown love. Thank you for tuning in.